The way my latest Target order looks like it's from Anthropologie, Free People, Made Well. Let me show you these sets. This is from Target too. I love this little half zip with the bubble hem. It just sits really nicely like this. You can get the matching shorts. I'm pairing this with some Walmart sneakers. I love how it just matches the blue up here. It's immediate, yes, let's bring this on vacation. Love all of the embroidered details to it. And then you can get the matching shorts. Great fit. They also come in another color as well. Pairing them with one of my favorite heels right now. Love all the details. This polka dot says you know how to have a good time. Love this tank top with like the snatched waist. I would size up if you're between sizes. You can get the matching pants. These are a pull-on linen elastic in the back. I feel like they're a great fit. I'm pairing this with a little neutral wedge. Another freaking adorable set. This top snatches you in right here. And then I got the matching skirt. It's not too short. I'm pairing these with probably my favorite samples right now, just so chic and elevated. Whoever designed this set deserves a raise. This is a PJ set. I feel like you can wear some of these pieces separately. I love the lace detail, how it snatches you in. And then these are the dreamiest wide leg silky pants. I went with a small in it. I probably will swap it for a medium. Love this set so much. This cover up set is getting me so excited for a beach vacation. I just love all of like the crochet lace details to it. A button down top, you could also wear it open. Matching shorts here with a tie. I am obsessed. If you want to shop any of these Look for Less sets, just check the caption for details. Bye!